Namaste. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Shilpa Binale, Ayurveda and Nadi consultant doctor. Today we are going to discuss about three immunity boosting factors, that is Ahara, Yogasana and self-healing process. Before discussing these three factors, we should know the Ayurveda aspect of immunity. The main aim of Ayurveda is to not only treat the disease but also to maintain someone's health. Swasthasya Swastha Rakshana is well explained in Ayurveda. Vaidic Shamatva, that is immunity, is very well explained. It is of three types: by birth immunity, seasonal immunity and natural acquired immunity. By birth immunity, it comes to us when we were in mother's womb. A child will be healthy if both parents are healthy. So Garbha Sanskar are told in Ayurveda, and it is a very important thing. If you want your child should be mental and physically healthy, then you need to follow Garbha Sanskara pre-pregnancy and during pregnancy. The second one is the seasonal immunity. In some seasons our immunity is good, in some seasons our immunity is low. Example, in rainy seasons there are many viral infections, and in winter season the winter is healthy season. To acquire or to boost this seasonal immunity, a certain regime, certain ahara, certain exercises, or which exercise should be followed, which diet should be followed, and which things should be avoided in certain seasons is told in Rutucharya. So to boost our seasonal immunity, we should follow the Rutucharya. Third one is natural acquired immunity. To boost our self-immunity, we need to follow a good diet, a diet according to our Prakriti, exercise according to our Rutucharya, self-healing processes. Even Rasayan Chikitsa, or Rasayan therapy, is explained in Ayurveda, where some medicines helps to boost our natural acquired immunity. Example, Chavanprash, Aula, Triphala, then Amruta, Ashwagandha. These medicines and Tulsi, these medicines help to boost our natural acquired immunity. Why should we follow these regimes, this type of diet or yoga or self-healing process? We will discuss in next session. Thank you.